What's up guys, Andre here of Tech, and Realme has recently released a limited edition model of their new Realme 9 Pro Plus called the Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Limited Edition, featuring a design inspired by the popular mobile game. So without further ado, let's take a closer look and see if this is something that Free Fire fans will like. This device is not just a smartphone with a limited edition design. Realme made sure that the packaging is also customized according to the theme, meaning it's not your typical box with just the phone and accessories inside. There are freebies included in the package, like customized box packaging that unfolds into a Free Fire universe map. And there's also a Free Fire Magic Cube reward card. Opening up the box, you will be greeted with a smaller box that contains the manuals, Free Fire stickers, and a SIM ejector pin in the form of the FF knife, which is pretty cool. Below is the phone itself, a clear jelly case, USB-C cable, and the charger. Now, let's take a look at the device. On its back, you will see the protruding camera module. There's a Booyah etched beside the cameras, while below is the Free Fire branding. It looks like a gaming-centric device and also produces this rainbow light effect, which goes well with the deep blue color. Like the original Realme 9 Pro Plus, the Free Fire edition also has a plastic frame but with a metallic paint job to make it look and feel premium. It still has a glass back panel which looks really nice until it gets smudged with fingerprints. You can easily remedy that with a case included in the package. On the front, we have the 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. Found on the upper left is the 16-megapixel front camera, and right above it, in the bezel, is the earpiece loudspeaker. For buttons and ports, located on the right side is the power lock button. Then on the left are the volume buttons and the card tray for 2 nano-sized SIM cards. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, while down at the bottom are the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C port, and the main loudspeaker. For the cameras, it's the same configuration as the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G. That's a 50-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel one for macro. As for internals, powering the Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Limited Edition is a MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G with an octa-core processor, Mali G688MC4 GPU, 8GB of RAM with extended RAM up to 5GB, and 128GB of internal storage. For the battery, we have a 4,500 mAh capacity with support for 60-watt super dart charging. And of course, this device also offers the benefits of 5G connectivity. Software-wise, it runs on Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. It also has a custom Free Fire theme for the icons and Free Fire wallpaper as well. A number of third-party apps are already pre-installed, including Free Fire, but you can easily uninstall these if you're not going to need them. The Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Limited Edition 8GB plus 128GB is priced at 20,990 pesos. To compare, the standard Realme 9 Pro Plus is offered in 8GB plus 256GB for 23,990 pesos. Overall, it's a nice addition to the Realme 9 Pro Plus offering, not just because it caters to Free Fire fans, but because it is a good alternative for those who want a different color and a lower budget. And that's it for now. What do you think of this Realme 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Limited Edition? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Andre, and I'll see you guys in the next one.